Sweet, I just got my annual paycheck. Now I think I'm gonna deposit this in the bank and get money on some interest.
Deposit your check with an interest rate of 4.6% annually for 5 years.
Very tempting. I think I'm gonna have to get back to you on that.
Take your time, Mr. Peanut, but just so you know, we look forward to cracking this deal and making you a client of our reputable What the Heller Bank of Heller.
Well, Mr. Peanut, it looks like we can deposit your check in our bank with a quarterly interest rate of 1% for 5 years.
Give me 1 second. I guess I'm gonna have to do the math to see which one gives me more money and interest. Even though Charlie has a better interest rate, that doesn't quite mean it is a better deal. Looks like I better go with Corey's offer.
It's a pleasure doing business with you, Mr. Peanut.
Now it's time for me to buy a new house, and I have to find the best deal.
Mr. Peanut, we are willing to loan you $800,000 for one of the houses you're interested in for 1.8% interest rate. And you will make a monthly payment for 30 years. Sound good?
I'm gonna have to think about that. I'll be back.
Mr. Peanut, we can offer you a loan of $462,676.12 for a 2.9% interest rate, and you will make a triannual payment for 30 years for the house of your interest.
Very interesting. Give me a moment. I guess I better do the math. That's interesting. $1,099,762.14. That is the amount of money I got as a result of the interest from my first paycheck I deposited in Corey's bank. Because of that, the paycheck will practically pay off the loan for itself. You got yourself a deal, Corey.
Once again, it's a pleasure doing business with you, Mr. Peanut.
And that is why it's always important to do the math work and see which deal is better when it comes to compounded interest and mortgage loans/payments.
That's interesting. I don't know what that's.
It's a pleasure doing business with you, Mr. Charlie, shut the fuck up. I'm trying to record here.
I'm gonna have to think about that. What do I say?
Mr. Peanut, we can offer you a loan of $462,676.12 for a 2.9% interest rate, and you'll make an annual payment for the next 30 years for the house you're interested in. No, I said it wrong. Well, Mr. Peanut, it looks like we can deposit your check for a 1% interest rate. Oh, fuck.
It's okay.
Don't put that in.